Hello, sir.
Hello, hi Tanishka. How are you doing?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you so much. Good afternoon to you too. Am I clearly audible?
Yes, you're audible. How
Okay.
was your day, sir?
My day has been going great. What about you?
So my day was really great. So
Okay.
today is our festival, Shiv Jayanti. So yeah, I worship the Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati
Hmm.
Shivaji Maharaj.
Okay.
I put the flowers
Hmm.
and worship the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Okay. We don't use
Yeah,
article the before Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Okay. We don't say the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. We say Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj without article the.
I worship Chhatrapati
Okay.
Shivaji Maharaj.
Yes, correct. And
Yes,
instead
so would
of
you
put
like to introduce
flowers,
yourself, sir?
yes, I will introduce myself, but before going there, one more mistake you made. I put flowers, you said. Okay. Can you come up with a better verb instead of put? Put is a very common word, right? Put flower. It's like I put my toys in the cupboard or I put my dress in the cupboard. But here we are, there is a sense of respect, there is a sense of praying, right? So, do we use some other word here instead of putting? Do you think can we use the word offer here? Offer.
Yeah,
I
I
offer
offer
flowers
flowers
or I
too.
offered flowers. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely correct. Okay. Nice. So I will give you my introduction quickly. My name is Kaustubh, as you can see, and I presently stay in Pune in Maharashtra, and I have been an English teacher for 12 years, more than 12 years. In my free time, I like to read books. I enjoy cooking, so I like to try out different dishes. And recently, I have taken up a new hobby, that is bird watching. I go out and I take my binoculars with me and I try to observe birds, different types of bird species, try to identify them, right? So these are some of my
Okay,
hobbies.
that's
Can you
really
tell
nice.
can you tell me a little bit about your hobbies? What do you like to do?
Yes, so my name is Sanishka. I'm 9 years old and studying fourth standard. My hobbies are to read stories, playing skating, riding cycle, and many more. So there is
Okay.
channel on YouTube. My channel name is Tanish English with Tanishka, and I'm from Maharashtra district Pune.
Oh, nice. So you are also from Pune.
Yes.
There. Okay. Do you know what is Nashik famous for?
No.
I will give you a hint. It is the place where there is a famous Lord Shankara temple. It's one of the 12 Jyotirlingas.
Mm, okay, that's really nice.
Okay. Can you name the temple? Do you know the name?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So it's called Trembakeshwar. It's a name of a temple. And
Keshwar.
Trembakeshwar. Okay. And it is the place where
Trimbakeshwar.
River Godavari. Yes, yes, very good. It is the place where River Godavari originates.
Okay.
Okay, and also Nashik is famous for a very particular fruit. Can you guess the name of the fruit?
Fruit like
I'll
orange.
give you a hint. It comes in two different colors.
Two different colors. Like outer part and inside part.
No, two different species. Saying you were guessing the fruit.
Um, Litchi.
No, I'll give you one more hint. It generally comes in the winter season.
In winter season fruit.
Hmm.
Mm, kiwi.
No. Do you want one more hint?
Yes.
Another hint. It is small in size. It's not a big fruit. It's like a small size fruit.
Small fruit. Uh, 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 chiku.
No. Chiku has two colors, like two different colors of chiku. Do you see?
No, that's brown.
Yes. These are two different colors. One is green, another is black. Now I have given you a big hint.
Green, black color fruit.
I'm sure you must have eaten it. 100%.
Avocado.
No, avocado is a big fruit. This is very small, tiny.
Small fruit.
Mm.
Uh,
Okay, should I give you another hint now? This is very, very simple. The
okay.
name starts with a G.
Grapes.
Yes.
Oh my
Green
god.
color, black color, two different types, small fruit, right? Generally, we get it in winters.
Yes.
It was such an easy answer. So, Nashik is famous for grapes. There are lots of grape cultivation in Nashik.
Yes, I also love grapes very much.
Okay, nice. I saw behind the other when you had joined 5 minutes ago. I saw there were a lot of books behind you. So
Yes.
I'm guessing that you enjoy reading a lot.
Yeah, I enjoy reading a lot.
So can you tell me a little bit about your favorite book that you have read, or your favorite character, and why do you like that book or that particular character?
My favorite book, you can say like a Tinkle book and Champak.
Okay, Champak, nice.
Yeah.
Any
And it's
particular
a
favorite
romance.
character? Also,
A
what?
particular favorite character. Okay.
Hmm.
Mm, Talia the Crow.
Okay.
That's the character in the book of Tinkle.
Okay. And what do you like the most about that crow? Why is it your favorite?
Because like uh, everyone he means saves everyone's life.
He
And I
saves
also
everyone's
love,
life.
yes, and it's too
Okay.
good and he's like too brave and
Hmm.
clever.
Okay. He's very brave and clever. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So
And
can
I
you?
also love the character
Hmm.
Fox, the Chamataka. His name is
Hmm.
Chamataka,
Okay.
and the crocodile, the Dum Dum.
Okay. Nice.
That's the character from Tinkle book also. So they are, so they both are friends, Dum Dum and Chamataka,
Hmm.
and Kalia the crow
Hmm.
is not friend with them. But the
Okay.
Kalia the crow saves the life of his
Hmm.
friends, two rabbits. But the
Hmm.
Chamataka fox, uh,
Hmm.
wants to eat that rabbit. So like this, they're
Hmm.
fighting like that.
Okay. Okay. See, again, now you're using the Kalia the crow. The article before Kalia. Is it required? It's like the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj again. We don't need the here. You can say Kalia the crow, not the Kalia the crow.
Kalia the crow.
Yes. Okay. So that first the should be avoided. You cannot say that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Now, if I
Yes.
ask you, when you were talking about the crow, you said that he saves people's lives, and he is a brave crow, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So instead of brave, can we think about any other word? What can we say instead of brave?
He's intelligent.
Intelligent, okay. But meaning should be like brave. Intelligent is another word. Intelligent means he has good mind. We want a word which is similar to brave, but a different word.
Mm, I don't know.
Can you think about it? Any other word that you have heard or read maybe somewhere?
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous is beautiful. Someone who looks really nice. It is not related to brave, no?
Yes.
Okay. Have you heard the word courageous?
Courageous.
Yes, courage means bravery.
And have the courage to do it.
Yes, you have the courage to do it. So you can say he's a courageous bird.
Yeah, he is courageous.
Yes, very good. Absolutely. And if I ask you to replace intelligent, you also said he's intelligent, means his mind is sharp. So what can we use to replace intelligent?
Intelligent. So advanced word like mm, mm, sure, no.
Sorry?
I don't know.
No. How about
I don't know. I don't know the advanced
wise?
word of that.
Wise, wise.
Yes, wise. So, how was your morning?
My morning was pretty busy. I actually work from home. As you can see, there is a studio behind me. I also teach English to students who are preparing for various exams like RBI Grade B exams, banking exams, judiciary exams. So, people who are into competitive English. So I teach them as well, right? That's why I have to conduct sessions from my house. That's why I keep busy. I am busy the whole day. My first lecture is at 6 o'clock in the morning, so it becomes a little challenging to go out and celebrate. But
Okay.
when I was a kid, we used to build miniature forts. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he built so many forts, right? Raigad,
Yeah.
Pratapgarh, Shivneri, even Sinhagad. He had a lot of forts.
He had 360 plus forts.
Yes, exactly. So when we were kids, we would collect stones and mud and bricks and all kinds of things, and we would build these miniature forts, small scale miniature forts, just like maybe Raigad or Pratapgarh. We would look into the map and then try to build it accordingly. And that was a fun activity. We used to do this during Diwali festival. Yeah. Have you tried making a fort?
Wow, that's really nice. No, like in school, when I will grow up, so at the fifth
Mhm.
standard, we have to make
Mhm.
the forts from the cardboards.
Okay,
That's
from
activity
cardboards.
like that, and color it, paint it like that.
Hmm. Yeah, that's also a good activity. But maybe next year, not next year, this year in 2026, when Diwali arrives, it will mostly be in October, November, right? So maybe you can tell your father, your mother, maybe your cousins, if you have siblings, you can all collect stones from here and there, collect some mud, and maybe build a fort, a small fort in your balcony or near your building where you stay, right? It will be a good fun exercise.
Yes, but in our school, my cousin sister had that
Mhm.
activity, the
Okay.
fort making by mud and stones.
Okay, nice. Did you go to see the final fort that she made?
Yes, and like there, so there were so many forts:
Mhm.
Pratapgarh, Raigad, Rajgarh,
Mhm.
Siagarh. So
Mhm.
their colors, so it the colors and the forts size were really nice. So
Mhm.
that was made on the ground,
Okay, that's wonderful. Maybe.
and our teacher was telling us the information about every fort.
Okay, that's nice. And have you visited any fort in real?
In real, I don't visit a fort, but I can
I
see a.
haven't visited any fort.
I haven't visited any fort, but
Yes.
from my home, I can see the Siagarh fort.
Oh, you can see it from your home. That's
Yes,
wonderful. So you
yeah,
you
but
stay
that's
close to
too far.
Sinhagad.
But
Okay.
that's too far from me. But I
Okay.
can see.
Hmm. Maybe during the summer vacation, you can take your parents or you can ask your parents to take you to Sinhagad,
Yes,
right?
I want to go there.
Hmm. And apart from the fort, you get some very delicious food on Sinhagad. Especially pitla bhakri is a very famous dish that they serve there. Very delicious. What
Yes,
what
Pitla
type of
Bhakri.
food do you like? What is your favorite dish?
I like every type, like spicy.
Hmm.
Sometimes it depends on my mood what to
Okay,
eat, like spicy, sweet,
that's nice.
and I
Any
also like kothimber vadi, aloo
kothimber
vadi.
vadi. Wonderful. Aloo vadi.
Yes,
Yeah, my mother makes really nice aloo vadi. So whenever I go home, my hometown is actually in Konkan region, near the coastal sea near the coastal region of Maharashtra. Okay.
Yes.
So it's a small town in the Ratnagiri district. So I was born there, but after my 10th standard, I came to Pune, and I have been in Pune ever since. So sometimes, maybe 3 times in a year, I go back to my hometown to visit meet my parents or to meet my old friends. So that time, my mother makes aloo vadi.
Yes, I went to Konkan.
Oh, you like? Okay, nice. Where did you go? Which place?
In Dapuli, in Konkan, Dapuli.
Oh, that is very close to my house, Dapoli.
Hmm. Oh, that's really nice. So there were beach.
Hmm.
Mm, that was too much fun. I saw the starfish.
Okay, nice. Did you
Yes.
did you take the starfish, lift it up, and place it on your hands or palms?
Yes, I did it.
Nice. It feels very
Soft.
tingly, soft and tingly, right? Nice,
Yeah, and
wonderful.
I collected so many shells in there.
Oh,
Different
and
type of shells, colors.
what did you do with those shells? Have you kept them? Have you made something out of it?
Yes, I colored that and put in the plants of my
Okay, nice.
gallery.
Wonderful. Wonderful. That's so nice to
Yeah.
hear. So,
So
this is
what did you do the job?
what do
What
you
type
what
of job do you do?
as I told you some
Hello.
time back that I'm a teacher. I teach competitive English. I take sessions on EnglishYaari, and at the same time, I teach English to students who are preparing for various exams. Right. So I help them score good marks in their English paper because they have two English papers, one in the prelims or the first stage of the exam, and then they have another stage, we call it mains exam, and both the exams have English paper, and it is a tough paper to solve. So I help them to solve those questions, how to solve those questions and everything.
Okay, so how do you improve your English speaking skills?
See, it's all about practice. You have to practice speaking every day. Secondly, listening good English or listening to good English is very important. So, when you are, let's say, watching any video or when you are listening to the tutor, you have to be very attentive and listen carefully how the sentence formation is taking place, which word comes before which word comes after which word, right? And when you pay attention, your brain starts making connecting those dots, and then we are able to speak fluently. Okay. And you are a
Okay,
good reader, you
so
are
what?
an avid reader, so that is also a very good
Yes.
quality to have. Yeah.
And at what age you started to speak English language?
I think I was about your age. Maybe before that, I was around 4 or 5 years old. That is the time I started speaking in English, because I studied in an English medium school. So we had to speak in English since first standard. So that is when I started.
Okay, that's really
Okay.
nice. Means from your childhood.
Yes, from my childhood. It was wonderful to meet you, Tanishka, and I would love to meet you again sometime in our sessions. Okay.
Okay, so that was really
Okay.
nice talking with you.
Same here. Likewise.
Bye.
Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye. Take care.